Hi students, today we will discuss on the chapter PowerPoint. The 3 points we will discuss today is how to apply a theme to our presentation. Secondly, how to apply transition to our presentation and how to apply animation to the content of our slides. What do I mean by content? I mean the text we have typed, the pictures, table, charts, all these content we will apply animation to it. So let's continue. So what is a theme? A theme is a set of available backgrounds that have been designed for us. When we apply those themes to our presentation, it is applied to all slides automatically. How do we apply a theme? We click on Design tab, then under Themes, I will click on one of the options in order to apply it to my PowerPoint. We have done in previous lesson how to change the background of our slides, but this theme, when you choose the theme, it automatically applies it to all your slides. Let's go through an example. I click on Design tab, then under Themes, I click on the arrow and choose one of the options available here. If you have more slides, you will see that all the slides take the style of the theme. Here you can see it. Now let's continue. Here you will see in the picture the list of themes available, and when you choose one of the theme, it is applied to the whole presentation. All the slides will have the same background as the theme you have chosen. Now, transition. What do I mean by transition? Transition is how the slides enters or leaves when I am running my presentation. When I am running my presentation, the way the slide enters or leaves is called a transition. How do I apply transition? I click on Transitions tab, then I choose one of the transitions made available to me. Now you can apply the same transition to all the slides of your presentation. How do you apply it to all slides? You click on Apply to All. Else, if you want each of your slides to have different transitions, therefore you click on each slide and you choose the transition you want to apply. Let's go through an example. For first slide, I want to apply a transition. I click on transition and choose one of the transition available. Now I can choose a different transition for slide 2. I click on slide 2 and choose a transition. Like this, you can choose different transition for each slide. But professionally, it is better to apply the same transition to all your slides. For this, you click on Apply to All. Let me insert some text for you to see it. Now, to view the transitions better, I will click on Slideshow, then I will click from beginning. Now I can use my mouse to move through the slides. Now we have ended. Now you have seen the transitions. We will continue. These are the models or the list of available transitions. You can choose one of them to apply to your presentation. Now, how to apply animation? Animation is how the content of your slide. What do I mean by content? I mean the text or the pictures, charts or table you have inserted in your slide. How will those enter or leave the slide while you are running your presentation? To apply animation to your content, first you select the content, you click on Animation tab, and then choose one of the animation made available to you. Let's go through an example. We will try with text and picture. I will insert a picture in the subtitle. Insert picture. I can reduce the size. I will put it here. This one, I can delete it. Therefore, I will put an animation to the word test and to the picture smiley. First, I will select the word test. I click on Animation tab. Then I will choose a type of animation. To apply to the picture, I select the picture, click on Animation tab, and then choose one of the animations available. I will put another effect. Let me put swivel here. Now to test it, we will play the slideshow from beginning. Now I click, the word test will enter, then the picture will enter. This is how animation looks like. First, you will see the transition, how the slide enters, and then you will see one by one the animation that I have applied. First, I applied animation to test. Therefore, test will enter first, and then I applied animation to the picture. Therefore, the picture will enter after the word test. Here I have mentioned it clearly. To view the transitions or animation that I have added, I must play my presentation. Therefore, I will click on Slideshow tab. Then I will click on From Beginning. I will start playing the presentation from the start. Now we will work these questions together. You will open your presentation, your PowerPoint. On the first slide, you will type the title Bright Future and your name as subtitle. Then you will insert another slide, slide 2. Then you will change its layout to content. When you change the layout to content, you will obtain 2 columns. And then in the 2 columns, you will insert a picture. And then fourth question, you will apply transition to both slides and then apply animation to the first slide title, first slide subtitle, and second slide pictures. Therefore, let's start the exercise. First slide, the title will be Bright Future and subtitle was Your Name. Let me delete this. The layout is normally titled slide. In the subtitle, I will type my name. In second slide, it changed its layout to content. Layout to content. Here is how is it. There is no title in my question. We have to insert a picture in each columns. Therefore, insert picture. I will insert this picture. I select it and click on Insert button. In the second column, Insert Picture. I will select the picture and click on Insert button. In my question, I have only 2 slides. Therefore, I will delete the slides in surplus. Now we will continue. I must apply transitions to both slides. I will click on transition and then I will choose a style and I will apply it to both slides. How will you know that we have applied transition? The first point to check is the stars here. Second point to verify, you click on slideshow, then you click from beginning. This was the animation I applied before. This is to ensure that I have applied transition. Now I must apply animation to the first slide title, its subtitle, and the two pictures in the second slide. I will select the title. I click on Animation tab and then I will choose an animation. For second slide, I will select the subtitle and choose an animation. Here also in second slide, I will click on my picture, then I will choose an animation. I will click on the second picture and I will again choose another animation. Now let's look at the PowerPoint completely. How it looks, slideshow, from beginning. You can click on your arrow key or your mouse to play the presentation. Here is first bright future, name, first picture, and then second picture. Here is how your presentation will look like. I hope now that you have understood how to apply a theme to your presentation. Theme is a set of available background. You click on design and you will obtain it here. The backgrounds are already made for you. You just need to choose one of the styles and it will be applied to your presentation. All the slides will have the same background, I mean the same theme. Now transition is how your slide enters or leaves while you are running your presentation. What is animation? Animation is how the text, the pictures, charts, table enters or leaves while you are running your presentation. I hope you have understood the lesson of today. Thanks for your attention.